I've been involved with material handling for about 30 years now. When I first got into the AGV business, they were wire-guided vehicles back then. This huge claw device that went into a machine, grabbed a bale of fiber from a compactor, ran it through a piece of plastic that was automatically wrapped, and then from there, my system went in and utilized a bale clamp on an AGV, which at the time was, again, another first. And we loaded those bales, stacked them up 3 high, and I put it onto, of all things, an automatic trailer load system. And this particular system was the type of system that would accumulate a full truckload of bales. It walked onto a standard trailer, and it used a couple of paddles, and we left the trailer fully loaded. Now this was back in the very early 90s, so way before automatic trailer loading and AGV technology was the norm.